Hello, welcome to Webtagon Media, and today I'll be teaching you how to reach high income earners on Google search engine result page, right? And we can do this in our Google Ads, right? And this is how we can easily reach them. And today I'll be teaching you how to do this from the Google Ads dashboard. Are you ready to learn? Let's dive in, right? And now I'll be going into the audience segment in my campaign, and this is an home improvement niche, and it is an high ticket services that we are rendering to our clients, right? So here in the demographics we can easily see the different tabs, that is the age, gender, and household income. Right here we can always edit and see how we can improve the performance of this aspect. And for today we'll be doing the optimizing the household income, right? So I'll be editing the demographics right now, and I will select the campaign where choosing, which is the bedroom, right? And now in this edit demographics I will be able to select those that are top 10%, those that are of high income in my local area, in the city, in the country where I will be targeting, right? And I also select them till the 31 to 40%, right? I normally leave the those unknown because we're not able to determine whether they are of 10% or they are of lower 50%. So normally I always check off, I always remove or uncheck the lower 50 and the 41 to 50%, because these guys are of lower income and I don't want to make those guys to see, because Google normally have this data, right? And with this data we can further optimize our campaign effectively. And having doing that, I'll be saving the demographics. So further I can also show this table to see what I have done, right? And I can view detailed report. Here I can further optimize this household income tab, right? And here I can increase the bid adjustment, right? For example, I can increase it to 50%. I want to bid more for those that are of the top 10%, so that I can show more to this guy, because we know from past experience that this prospect are more likely to buy our product or services, especially to those of high ticket, like for example roofers, home improvement needs like kitchen remodeling, bedroom remodeling, and what have you, right? And I'll be leaving the top 10%, right? And I can bid more on this prospect. I can decrease those, I can bid less on those that are of 30 to 40%, right? I can choose that here, and this is how I normally optimize these demographics, right? So I can save this, and this is how I optimize this. I can always even exclude them here, right? I can always remove whatever I want to remove and add whatever I want to add here. And I hope you have been able to learn from me today on how to optimize the income, those that are of high incomes, and segregate them from those that are of lower income, right? And feel free to subscribe to my channel to learn more on how to optimize and manage your Google ad campaign. Thank you for watching.